One of my students was asking me about some romantic word in Sängö. He said, Erin, as you know, I'm about to go in Central African Republic. Please, I want you to show me some expression or some romantic word in Sängö. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hermine, and today in this short video I'm gonna show you some let's say basics or some romantic word in Sängö. Igwe. Let's start. Mbiyemo. Mbiyemo. I love you. Mbiyemo. I love you. Mbiyemo mingi. Mbiyemo mingi. I love you so much. Or I love you very much. Mbiyemo mingi. Mbitimo. 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 I like you. Mbitimo. I like you. Mo yeke pendere. Mo yeke pendere. You are beautiful. Mo yeke pendere mingi. Mo yeke pendere mingi. You are so beautiful. Yeah. Sukamara. Sukamara. Sukamara here means you such an amazing girl, or you are like, you are so sexy, you are cool, you are perfect, you are just awesome, like this. Sukamara. Sukamara. Mamati amolenge. Mamati amolenge or babati amolenge. Mama, Baba, if you want to know about the meaning, kindly go and check this video about the family vocabulary. Alright, Mamachi Amolenge. If someone say that you are like Mamachi Amolenge, example Mamachi Amolenge Timbi, mean that you are the mom of my children, because it's you, my choice. We will live together, we will get married. It's like to ensure you that we will live together. And alright, we are at the end of this short video, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Don't forget to drop in the comment other expression about love. I will be happy to read it. See you in the next lesson.